Oh, it's certainly been a marvelous stretch of weather, at least up to this point so far this week. The weather's been phenomenal. 43, the high yesterday. Not a record, but certainly way warmer than your typical mid-January day. We reached a high of 43 at the airport. That was 20 degrees above the seasonal average. This is a picture from Rochester, nearly frozen, or partially, mostly frozen over Silver Lake. This is from Barb Sorensen. Beautiful sunset going on there as well. Today, not so beautiful. Unfortunately, we do have this wintry mixture spreading eastward, approaching Rochester. Right now, moving across Mantorville right now, down toward Hayfield, Mesa City, Albert Lee, and Austin, all dealing with this wintry mixture as it spreads eastward, now partially to completely covering roads with a bit of an icy glaze, some ice pellets, a little bit of freezing rain. To the west, it's mainly rain. Temperatures a little bit warmer west of I-35, at least momentarily. As we move along the day, the temperatures will climb a bit, stay above freezing, but at times it's going to be rain and snow we're facing. But at first, it's that wintry mixture that we're going to be facing here that makes for maybe a tricky morning commute. Later on, starting at noon, for all of these weather headlines, we have a winter storm warning, winter weather advisory, and a blizzard warning. More presence of wind in some of these situations, so that more of an impact from that, and that's going to cause blizzard conditions at times, especially west of Interstate 35 later today through tonight and most tomorrow, with several inches of snowfall accumulation. Right now here in Rochester, the weather patio, it's 31. It feels like 23. Winds out of the south at 6 miles per hour. So far, pretty mild morning, pretty quiet one. 28 in Rochester at the airport officially, 30 in Austin, 30 in Charles City, Decorah 27. Again, in the Med City, it's 28. It feels like 21. Winds 7 miles per hour. There's that wintry mixture developing just the past half hour or so. There's that rain still going on to the west. We broaden things out. Storm system centered to our north, but a lot of the energy with this right along this front as it pushes eastward. We're going to have that warm air ahead of that, setting the stage for a wintry mixture at times. Of course, just slightly below freezing now, so that icy coating as possible. As we climb above freezing, we see rain and snow off and on throughout the day from 9 until about 4 or 5 o'clock. Then we transition to mainly all heavier snow for the evening commute. Bad timing, obviously, as you would well surmise in this situation. But yes, we're looking at blowing snow, heavy snow, they're going through tonight, and then tomorrow periods of lighter snow, but some pretty raw winds with another couple of inches of accumulation. But here's what we're facing today. Wintry mixture, the purple, the pink, all that going on this morning. By midday, it's periods of rain and snow, the blue and green. So we're looking at least some light accumulation, but also some slushy accumulation. By around 4 or 5 o'clock, it's all snow, and it's heavier snow. And we have some blowing snow, especially west, where there is more widespread open country and stronger wind gusts. And then we'll have that area of low pressure pivoting these rounds of snow back around the area through the course of tonight. That's when the snow will be building up. So mixture, then just snow by the end of the day today. Snow showers for Friday with some gusty winds, and the weekend looking a little bit colder, a little bit quieter, but a mixture at times, rain and snow showers. 35 the expected midday high temperature, with winds out of the west at times reaching 20 to 25 miles per hour with the stronger gusts. 35 today, down to around the freezing mark or just below that tonight, but temperatures aloft, cold enough for mainly just snow, and that's when the snow will be accumulating more in earnest. We see that mixture, and then it's all snow on future track by around 4 or 5 o'clock. Heavier rounds of snow continuing through tonight into tomorrow. The heaviest snow during the day on Friday will be early. Beyond that, smaller doses of snow going on with some raw winds out of the north and northwest at times up to 25 miles per hour. To the west, maybe even gusts up to 30 miles per hour. That's where that blizzard warning is in effect west of I-35. So the mixture, then periods of rain and snow, and then blowing snow becomes a concern after about 6 or 7 this evening. Snowfall amounts, Rochester 5 to 8 inches overall in the next 2 days. Southward, a little lighter, 4 to 7 inches in much of the area, and you may see as much as 9 inches around Owatonna up toward Zerbrota and Albert Lee, maybe even in Austin, is up to 9 inches there. Temperatures over the next several days going to keep the snow around. We'll be in the 30s next 2 days, but then 20s, more seasonably cold Saturday, Sunday, and all of next week. So a mixture, and then just snow by the end of the day today. About an inch of accumulation by sunset, with west winds up to 25 miles per hour. Tonight, look for periods of heavier snow, and we'll see some gusty winds. Again, that blizzard warning in the western counties with that problematic wind and snow scenario. 30 degrees tonight, 3 to 6 inches of snow just tonight alone. alone. We add on another couple of inches tomorrow, again yielding the possibility of up to 7 or 8 inches in much of the area in the way of snowfall. Some spots westward, a little more than that even. Winds on the gusty side tomorrow. Then a quieter Saturday, very small coating of snow first thing Sunday, and then a relatively quiet but pretty chilly upcoming week is ahead.
We're just getting started.
We are, yeah, back to winter mode in full force. We're all in.